This is Black Ice Live here at the Door of Hope. This is our Operation Action program. All this coming together in outstanding numbers. We had We Are Shot City, Poet Talented Tim, 3BM, Ear Candy, Homeboy Productions, Diamonds Are Forever. And we're standing here with Mr. Carl, who saw the program that we displayed today. Mr. Carl, could you tell us what you thought about today's program and what it meant to you?
Well, what I thought about the program, first of all, I thank you guys for coming out and sharing your knowledge with us, your love with us, especially your gifts. And that inspired me to keep on keeping on. Because I done been through a lot of things in my life, not good things. I don't even like speaking on them or talking about them, stuff like that. But you guys really encouraged me to keep fighting a good fight of faith.
Thank you.
And I love you guys, and I thank you for coming and, doing what you guys did.
Absolutely.
And stuff like that. So, I feel good now.
Thank you so much,
I try to feel good every day, but you just did something for me, and I love you guys, and I thank you.
Thank you so much, my brother, and we will be back.
Amen.
Amen.